Welcome to a journey through the botanical world where we uncover the most bizarre and mind-blowing plants in history. From the heart of rainforests to the arid desert plains, our planet is teeming with an astonishing array of plant life. Get ready to be amazed by nature's strangest creations, plants that have evolved unique and often unbelievable adaptations to thrive in their environments. Prepare to be astonished as we delve into the peculiar, the fascinating and the downright weird world of plants.
Our first encounter is with a true titan of the plant kingdom, the Amorphophallus titanum, better known as the corpse flower. This colossal plant, native to the rainforests of Sumatra, can reach heights of over 10 feet, dwarfing any human observer. But its size isn't the only thing that makes this plant remarkable. The corpse flower earns its name from the pungent aroma it releases when in bloom, a smell often likened to rotting flesh. This stench, as unpleasant as it may seem to us, is a crucial aspect of the corpse flower's survival. This odor acts as an irresistible beacon to carrion beetles and flies, attracted to the promise of decay. As these insects explore the massive flower structure, they unwittingly become dusted with pollen, essential for the plant's reproduction. And then, just as quickly as it appeared, the bloom collapses, leaving only the memory of its malodorous presence. The Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula, is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Found in the nutrient-poor bogs of North Carolina, this carnivorous plant has evolved a cunning strategy to supplement its diet. The Venus flytrap's modified leaves form a deadly trap, fringed with sensitive trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect, lured by the plant's sweet nectar, brushes against these hairs, the trap snaps shut with lightning speed. The insect, now imprisoned within the interlocking teeth of the trap, is slowly digested by the plant's enzymes, providing vital nutrients absent in the boggy soil. This remarkable adaptation showcases the lengths to which organisms will go to thrive in challenging environments. Chapter 3. Rafflesia arnoldii, a parasitic powerhouse. Deep in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a parasitic giant lurks amongst the shadows, the Rafflesia arnoldii. This botanical behemoth holds the record for the largest individual flower on Earth, with blooms reaching up to 3 feet in diameter. But unlike its fragrant counterparts, the Rafflesia arnoldii emits a stench similar to rotting meat, attracting carrion flies vital to its pollination. What makes this plant truly unique is its parasitic lifestyle. The Rafflesia arnoldii lacks leaves, stems, and even roots, instead drawing all its sustenance from its unsuspecting host, the tetrastigma vine. Its entire life cycle revolves around this parasitic relationship, from seed germination to the development of its monstrous flower. Chapter 4. Hydnora africana, the alien among us. Prepare to be transported to another world with the Hydnora africana, a parasitic plant so bizarre, it seems to have been plucked straight from a science fiction film. This subterranean denizen, found in the arid regions of southern Africa, lives entirely underground, its presence only betrayed when its fleshy blood-red flower emerges from the sandy soil. The Hydnora africana's flower is as strange as its lifestyle. Its fleshy petals, covered in coarse hairs, resemble more the gaping maw of a creature than a delicate bloom. And like many of the plants we've encountered, the Hydnora africana employs a pungent aroma, this time mimicking the smell of dung to attract its pollinators. Dung beetles. These unsuspecting insects, drawn into the flower's depths, become trapped for a short time, covered in pollen before being released to continue the plant's reproductive cycle. Chapter 5. Lithops, Masters of Disguise. In the harsh, unforgiving deserts of southern Africa, survival depends on the ability to blend in, to disappear amongst the rocks and sand. Enter the lithops, a genus of succulent plants that have mastered the art of camouflage. Known colloquially as living stones, lithops have evolved to resemble the very rocks amongst which they grow, their fleshy, patterned leaves perfectly mimicking the texture and color of their surroundings. This remarkable adaptation serves a vital purpose: protection from hungry herbivores. By blending seamlessly into their environment, lithops avoid becoming a tasty snack for passing animals. Their ability to mimic their surroundings is so effective that even seasoned botanists can struggle to spot these masters of disguise.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of weird plants. We've only just scratched the surface of the incredible diversity found within the plant kingdom. From towering corpse flowers to camouflaged living stones, these botanical wonders remind us of the boundless creativity of nature and the endless capacity for life to adapt and thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. There's a whole world of wonder waiting to be discovered, and we'll be here to guide you every step of the way.